Okay, today we're featuring a certified 2016 Honda CRV EXL. It's got 22,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax one owner. It's urban titanium metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice chrome trim around the windows. It's got your lock unlock button here on the door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Again, over here it does have the lock unlock button on the passenger handle. It is equipped with the blind spot monitoring feature. We'll show you that when we get inside the vehicle. But once again, it's a certified 2016 CRV EXL. All right, 22,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax one owner. All right, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, does have black perforated power driver seat. All right, driver seat's in good shape. All right, just a little bit of rub right there on the seat, but not bad at all. All right, does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather is in good shape as well. All right, everything looks good there. It is equipped with the sunroof. Go ahead and give you a shot of that. Okay. And in here in the middle console, it does have the HDMI, USB ports, and your power outlet there. Got another power outlet here with your heated seats. All right, it is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls here. Push button start. All right, got your touch screen display right there. Got another display right there as well. It's going to be your, you got the time, your coordinates, and the AM/FM display. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Okay, got your econ button here, and then your blind spot monitoring button here. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 22,617 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, go ahead and show you that display screen up here. Got your average fuel, the range, the time, the coordinates. Okay, and then here's your home screen for the touch screen. All right, there's your apps. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Okay, got your dual climate controls lit up now. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here is in great shape. Back seat leather looks good as well. Not even a wrinkle back here in the leather. All right, it looks really, really good. Center console comes down, got your cup holders there. I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Spare tire there. Does have the convenient sunshade. Okay. Got your handles here in the back. Pull those handles. Seats fold down. Okay. It really opens up the space back here now. Okay, you can easily take that sunshade out and really have it opened up back there. The seats are light but very durable. Just push them back up. They click back into place. You simply just pull it up, clicks in, and now you're ready to go. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. And let me walk around here and show you one more thing I forgot. We talked about the blind spot monitoring system. I don't know if I showed you a visual of that. Let's turn the car back on. Okay, and now this blind spot monitoring can be brought up just with the push of that button that I showed you earlier. Okay, and what that does is it visually shows you your blind spot. All right, you can hit the button again and turn it off, or when you make a lane change, using the turn signals, it always activates it as well. Okay, just wanted to point that out to you. But once again, we got a certified 2016 Honda CRV EXL, 22,000 miles, Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing is in great shape, phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.